Whimleys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alicia, Whimsy Alley Cosplay, and today I have another fan mail box unboxing video. This is my third box from them, and when I heard it was going to be medieval themed, I was so excited because that's my preferred, genre, I guess. I like anything high fantasy, medieval themed. I used to be in a medieval reenactment society, so I was quite excited. And I have it right here. Let's open it right up. So you'll have to appreciate the self-control I had because this is my actual first time opening it, and I waited until the next day for better lighting. So appreciate that with me. Oh, mysterious wrapping paper. Medieval Mayhem, that's right. I'll look at that in a second. So, of course I go right for the jewelry box. Ooh! I totally opened that upside down, didn't I? That's okay. Look at that. I'm pretty sure that's from Xena, Warrior Princess? We'll check it out. Your Destiny's Calling. Is that Merlin? Oh, winter's coming. A little pocket comb. Awesome. Oh, I've had this set before, actually. The Chainmail Espionage Cosmetics nail wrap. And then there's a accent nail with dragon scales. Ooh, a whole book? Get out of here! Tess of the Road, Advanced Reader's Copy. Ooh, well, I am excited for that. Alright, let's open up the pamphlet and see what else is contained in there. Their pamphlets are always so helpful, I feel like, as far as knowing what's coming up and what books and movies are coming out. So they describe each item in the box, and I was right, this is a necklace inspired by Xena, Warrior Princess, which was my jam growing up, let me tell you right now. It was the one I definitely watched every week. Ooh, oh, and it's a nice length, I like that. And then I was right that this is from Merlin. I recognize the characters. I actually haven't watched that one yet. Oops. And then the bronze hair comb is really unique. I haven't seen anything like this in a subscription box before. If I could open it. Yeah, I really like all the raised detailing. Let's see if I can do the beauty vlogger thing. Yeah, there's lots of raised detailing, and let's see. Oh, not bad. I feel so fancy using a metal comb also. Normally it's, plastic or something, but now that makes me feel fancy. And I was promised dragons in this book, just reading the back cover. It sounds quite exciting. I'm sure I've talked about this if you've followed me online before, but dragons are my, that's what got me into fantasy. I've been collecting, little dragon figurines since I was probably 5 or 6, so anything with a dragon, I'm sold. But that is the box for this month, for February. It's a bi-monthly box, so every 2 months I get something exciting in the mail, and this This was the perfect dose of awesome this month. I haven't been to a convention since October, and so I'm really starting to feel like, you know, out of loop with the nerdy world. So this was a nice little jump start because convention season will be entering full swing for me here soon. But that is it for this week. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I will talk to you next time. Bye!